Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session of WAPSI, my dear students. Okay, yes, we can directly move on to our questions. So, this is the first question. If y is equal to 2x raised to 3x, then dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is. So, here we need to find the derivative dy by dx at x is equal to 1. So, here it's given y is equal to 2x raised to 3x, 2x raised to 3x, then they are asking us to find dy by dx. They are asking us to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. Okay, so first of all, this is a question. So first of all, we can take log on both sides. So that is log y is equal to log 2x raised to 3x, 2x raised to 3x. So hereafter log y, that is on the LHS, log y is equal to, we can write log 2 plus 3, yes, 3x log x, 3x log x, 3x log x. So hereafter we can find the derivative. So that is, on finding the derivatives, 1 by y, log y, derivative of y. So 1 by y dy by dx, that is equal to 1 by y dy by dx, that is equal to 2, yes, 2 into x raised to 3x, x raised to 2 into x raised to 3x into 3 into 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x. Okay, yes, so 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, yes, 1 by y into dy by dx. Wait. Yes, 1 by y into dy by dx, that is equal to 1 by y into dy by dx, that is equal to 3 into, okay, so for this one we can write it as, yes, so 1 by y dy by dx, that is equal to 3 into, yes, 3 into derivative of this, that is x into 1 by x into 1 by x plus log x, yes. So 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 3 into, yes, 3 into x into 1 by x plus log x, x into 1 by x plus log x. So in the next step, we can move the y here. So that is, yes, 1 by y dy by dx is equal to 3 into x into 1 by x plus log x. So in the next step, we can write this as, that is dy by dx. We can put dy by dx on the left hand side. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. That is equal to, yes, we know that y is equal to, in the question itself, y is given as y is equal to 2x raised to 3x. So just substitute here, y is equal to, we are moving the y to here, to the right hand side. So 3 into 2 x raised to 3x, 2x raised to 3x. Yes, this will cancel. So the remaining is 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x, 1 plus log x. Okay, so we need to find dy by dx at x is equal to 1. So at x is equal to 1, what is the answer? At x is equal to, that is dy by dx at x is equal to 1 is, at x is equal to 1, that is equal to, the answer is 6. The answer is 6. Okay, so that is 3 into 2, 6. What about the others? Others, yes, x is equal to 6. So 1 raised to any terms, that means 1. Isn't it? 1 raised to 100, that is 1. 1 raised to 20, that is 1. Okay, so the answer is dy by dx at x is equal to 1. The answer is 6. So for this question, option B or the second one is the correct answer for this question. We can move on to the next one. Integral 1 by, yes, integral 1 by x into 6 log x square plus 7 log x plus 2 dx. Let me write it on the board. So integral 1 divided by x into 6, yes, x into 6 log x, 6 log x, the all square, 6 log x, the all square plus 1 by, yes, 7 log x, 7 log x plus 2 dx, plus 2 dx. Yes. So hereafter, first of all, log x, I am going to substitute it as t. So log x, so we can substitute it as t. Log x is equal to t. So hereafter, we can find the derivative. Derivative means 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx, that is equal to dt. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so in the next step, we can write I is equal to, integral I is equal to 1 divided by, okay, log x equal to t. So we can write as 6, yes, log x equal to t. So 6t square, 6t square plus 7, log x equal to 7t, 7t plus 2 dt, plus 2 dt. Okay, so hereafter 6t square plus 7t plus 2. For this one, we can write this as 6t square plus 7t plus 2. Yes, so 3t plus 2, I am going to write it as 3t plus 2 into 2t plus 1. Okay, so 3t plus 2 into 2t plus 1. Yes, so 3t into 2t, what is that? 3t into 2t, that is 6t square, and 3t into 1, that is 3t. So 3t plus 4t, that is 7t, and the last one is 2 into 1, that is 2. Yes. Okay, so in the next step, we can write this as I is equal to integral. I is equal to integral dt divided by, integral dt divided by 3t plus 2. Yes, 3t plus 2 into 2t plus 1. 2t plus 1. Okay, into dt. Yes, dt. Already mentioned there. So hereafter, we can write this as, that is equal to, yes, so 1 by 3t plus 2 into the remaining 2t plus 1, that is equal to, we can write it as a divided by 3t plus 2 plus b divided by 2t plus 1. A divided by 3t plus 2 plus b divided by 2t plus 1. So hereafter, yes, I'm going to multiply the whole term there. So that is 1 is equal to a into 3t plus 2 into 2t plus 1 into 2t plus 1. Yes, 2t plus 1 divided by 3t plus 2. Just cancel here. Okay, plus b into b divided by 2t plus 1. 2t plus 1 into, yes, this term. That means 3x plus 2 into 2t plus 1. 2t plus 1. So we can cancel this. Yes. So that is in the next step, we can write this as 1 is equal to a into 2t plus 1, a into 2t plus 1, yes, 2t plus 1 plus b into 3t plus 2, yes, sorry, here it is 3 t, yes, it is not x, this is t, yes, so 3t plus 2, 3t plus 2. So a into 2t plus 1 plus b into 3t plus 2. So hereafter, if you are substituting the value of t is equal to, minus 1 by 2. Just substitute the value of t is equal to minus 1 by 2. So if you are substituting the value of t is equal to minus 1 by 2, we will get 1 is equal to, yes, what about here? A into 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus b into 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 2. So this term will be 0. So 1 is equal to, yes, just multiply here, 2 into 2, 4. So 4 minus 3, 1 by 2. So b by 2. So hereafter we can write b is equal to, the value of b is equal to 2. Okay, so now we get the value of b is equal to 2. So by using this, by using the same method, simply we can find a. So in order to find a, just substitute t is equal to minus 2 by 3. Just substitute t is equal to minus 2 by 3. So 1 is equal to, what about here? A into, so minus, yes, so minus 4 by 3 plus 1 plus b into, yes, t. So t, the value is 3 into minus 2 by 3 plus 2. Just cancel this. So this term, that it will become 0. So that is 1 is equal to, yes, 1 is equal to a into 3. So minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. So a is equal to minus 3. So from this we can write a is equal to minus 3. So we get a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 2. We get a is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 2. Yes. A is equal to minus 3 and b is equal to 2. So hereafter we can write I is equal to, integral I is equal to, yes. So before that we know that a divided by 3t plus 2, 3t plus 2 plus b divided by 2t plus 1. So hereafter, in the place of a, just substitute minus 3. So that is I is equal to minus 3 divided by 3t plus 2 minus 3 divided by 3t plus 2 dt. Yes, integral minus 3 divided by 3t plus 2 dt plus b, that is 2 divided by 2t plus 1 dt, integral, yes, integral 2 divided by 2t plus 1 dt. Okay, so what is the integral of this? This is equal to minus log mod 3t plus 2 plus log mod 2t plus 1 plus c. Yes. So this is the final answer. Now look at the options. Now look at the option. So, yes, once again, this is minus, so we can rewrite this as, we can rewrite this one. That is, yes, log 2t plus 1, 2t plus 1 minus log mod 3t plus 2, 3t plus 2 plus c. Okay, so that is equal to, we can write it as log mod 2t plus 1 divided by 3t plus 2 plus c. Okay, so hereafter in the question itself, in the first step, we already put log x is equal to t. We already substituted log x, that is equal to t. Yes. So we know that log x equal to t. So here, just substitute log of modulus 2t. So 2 log x plus 1 divided by 3t. That means 3 log x. 3 log x plus 2. 3 log x plus 2 plus c. Yes, plus c. That is log 2 log x plus 1 divided by 3 log x plus 2 plus c. That means here option B is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Yes. So my dears, we can move on to the next question. So the question is that the area of the region bounded by the line, it is given as y is equal to 3x, and the curve that is given as y is equal to x square. In square unit is the area. We need to find the area of the region bounded by the line and the curve. So the line is given as, the line that is given as, in the question it is given as y is equal to 3x, that is for the line. Y is equal to 3x, that is for the line, and the curve. And for the curve, that is y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. Yes. So we need to find the area of the region bounded by the line and the curve. So first of all, just draw x and y axis. So hereafter, this is the line. Y is equal to 3x. That means this is the line. Y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. And the curve. The curve is y is equal to x square. So this is the curve. Y is equal to x square. This is the curve. So the area bounded by these two regions is the area bounded by the two regions. Yes. So this is 0. This is 3. This is 3. Let me tell you, we need to find the intersection point of the line and the curve. This is 0. Okay. Yes. So this point, y is equal to 3x and y is equal to x square. Just equate this. 3x is equal to x square. So for which value of x these are equal? Suppose just take the value of x is equal to 1. So 3 is equal to 1. Not possible. If just substitute the value of x is equal to 2. 2 means 6 is equal to 2 square. Not possible. So x will be equal to 3. X is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 3, 3 into 3, 9 is equal to 3 square, that is 9. So yes, from the two equation, we can write the value of x is equal to 3 here. I mean the point is, yes, the point is 3. This point is 3. So hereafter, we can write the area bounded by the region. So area A is represented by capital A. Area is A is equal to 0 to limit. It's going to 3. So 0 to 3. 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Yes, 3x minus x square dx. 3x minus x square dx. 3x minus x square dx. Okay, so hereafter just find the integral of this. Just find the integral of this one. Yes. Okay. So that is equal to. Just take 3 common outside. So 3 into x square by 2. 3 into x square by 2 minus, what about the x square dx, integral x square dx, that is x cube by 3. Yes, so that is x cube by 3. So hereafter just limit 0 to 3. Upper limit is 3 and lower limit is 0. Okay, so hereafter just substitute the values. So we will get, on substituting the values, on substituting the upper limit and lower limit, the final answer is 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is the final answer for this one. Okay, now just go through the options. So while we are going through the option, we can see that option B is the correct answer. That means area bounded by the line y is equal to 3x and the curve y is equal to x square is 9 by 2. That means option B is the correct answer for this question. Okay, yes. So we can move on to our next question. So the next question is given that if the line x minus 1 divided by minus 3 is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2k, so that is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2, and x minus 1 divided by 3k is equal to y minus 5 divided by 1, that is equal to z minus 6 divided by minus 5, are mutually perpendicular, then k is equal to. For this question, we need to find the value of k. Okay, so first of all, if the lines is given as x minus 1 divided by minus 3 is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2k. Yes, y minus 2 divided by 2k, that is equal to z minus 3 divided by z minus 3 divided by 2, and this is the first line, and the second line is x minus 1 divided by 3k is equal to y minus 5 divided by 1, that is equal to z minus 6 divided by minus 5 Okay, so x minus 1 divided by minus 3 is equal to y minus 2 divided by 2k is equal to z minus 3 divided by 2, that is for the first line, and the second line x minus 1 divided by 3k, that is equal to y minus 5 divided by 1 z minus 6 divided by minus 5. It's given are mutually perpendicular. Yes. So from this one, the direction ratios, yes. So from this one, the direction ratios of the first line, this is the first line. We can write L1, L2. Okay, the direction ratios of L1. The direction ratios of L1 is, the direction ratios of L1. Which are the direction ratios? Yes, minus 3, 2k, 2. Minus 3, 2k, 2. And also the direction ratios of, yes, direction ratios of L2. Direction ratios, this is L1, L1, L2. Direction ratios L2, that is equal to, yes, L2. So that is equal to 3k 1 minus 5. 3k 1 minus 5. Yes. So it's given that if the lines are mutually perpendicular, so the lines are perpendicular, then the dot product of their direction ratios, is 0. Okay, because it's given that the lines are perpendicular, the two lines are perpendicular, so the dot product of the direction ratios of the lines is equal to 0. That means the product of the direction ratios, yes, equal to 0. So that means this is a direction ratio. So we can write minus 3, yes, minus 3 into 3k, minus 3 into 3k plus 2k, yes, 2k into 1 plus 2 into minus 5 is equal to 0, is equal to 0, yes. That is, the lines are perpendicular, then the dot product of their direction ratios is 0. So hereafter, this is minus 9k. Minus 9k plus 2k is minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 10 is equal to 0. So hereafter, minus 9k and plus 2k, minus 9k and plus 2k. So that is equal to minus 7k. So minus 7k is equal to 10. So hereafter we can write k is equal to minus 10 divided by 7. So the value of k is equal to minus 10 divided by 7. Now just go through the options. So while we are going through the options, we can see that option A is the correct answer for this question. That is, yes, the value of k is equal to minus 10 by 7 is the correct answer here. So let us move on to our next question, my dear ones. So the next question is given that the distance between, yes, the distance between the two planes 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 4, and the next is 4x plus 6y plus 8z is equal to 12 is the distance between the two planes, the first plane P1, the plane is given as 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 4. Okay, so this is standard equation, ax plus by plus cz is equal to d1, and plane 2 P2, that is equal to P2 4x plus 6y, 4x plus 6y plus 8z is equal to 12. 8z is equal to 12. So hereafter we can write ax, yes, same, ax plus by plus zz is equal to d2. a1 x1, yes, b1 y1 plus z1 is equal to d1, yes. Okay, it's not a1x b1y plus c1, a2 b2 c2. Okay, so hereafter just look at here, we can divide this one, we can divide P2 by 2. So on dividing P2 by 2, so we will get 2x, P2 on dividing we will get 2x, yes, 2x plus 3y plus 4z, that is equal to 6, that is 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 6. Okay, so this will be d2, and this will be 4 is the d1. Okay, so hereafter we can find the distance between the planes. So we know that d2 is equal to 6 and d1 is equal to 4. Yes, so let me write here, d2 is equal to 6 and d1 is equal to 4. Okay, and the distance between the two planes d is equal to modulus of, yes, modulus of, what is that, d2 minus d1 divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square. Yes, d1 minus d2. What about a, b, c? Because we know that a, b, c, that is 2, 3, 4. Because the two planes, because we already divide the second plane by 2, so that is 2x plus 3y. Yes, 2x plus 3y plus 4z plus 4z 2x plus 3y plus 4z. So this is A, B, C. A, B, C. Yes. So D is equal to, we can write D is equal to modulus of D2 minus D1. 6 minus 2. 6 minus, okay. 6 minus 4. What is the value of 6 minus 4? That is equal to 2 divided by root of 2 square. Yes. Yes. Root of A square plus B square plus C square. That is equal to 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. What is sum? 2 square? 4. 4, 9. This is 4, 9, 16. So the answer is root 29. Yes. So sum of 4 plus 9 plus 16. 4 plus 9 plus 16, that is 29. Okay. Now just go through the options. So while we are going through the option, we can see that D is equal to 2 divided by root 29. 2 divided by root 29. That means here the third one is the correct answer. That means option C is the correct answer for this question. So my dears, now we can move on to the next question. The question is that the distance of the point position vector is 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap from the plane r vector dot I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap is equal to 4 is the distance. We need to find the distance here. Again, we need to find the distance. So the distance of the point position vector is, so it's given. First of all, we can write the position vector A vector. Position vector. The position vector, that is A vector. A vector, position vector, A vector is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. Okay, and it's given from the plane. Plane is given us, yes, equation of the plane. Equation of plane. Equation of the plane is given as r vector, yes, r vector dot n vector is equal to p. R vector dot n vector is equal to p. Yes. So here, it's in the question, it's given that r vector dot, yes, I cap minus 2 j cap plus 4k cap plus 4 k cap. This is n. This is n vector. This is n vector is equal to 4. So the value of p is equal to 4. Okay. So in the question they are asking us to find the distance. So the distance is, so we can write the distance. So the distance, that is equal to modulus of A vector dot n vector minus p divided by modulus of n vector. So the value of p is equal to 4. We already know that. And this is A. A is equal to 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. This is A. And n is equal to, this is n. N is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. So hereafter, we can substitute the values here. So A vector dot n vector. First of all, we can write A vector dot n vector. This is a dot product. So A vector dot n vector. So that is equal to, yes, what is A vector? A vector is 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap into n vector. What is n vector? N vector, that is equal to, it's already given this question, that is into I cap, yes, I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap plus 4k cap. K cap. Yes. So dot product. So that is 2. Yes, minus 2, minus 4, so minus 4. 2 minus 2 minus 4. The answer is minus 4. Minus 4. So A vector dot N vector, the answer is minus 4. Yes, for this one, the answer is minus 4. And what is the value of P? We already know that P is equal to 4 because it's already given this question. Just substitute here. Yes, minus 4. So let me write here in the new step. Vector A dot, yes, A vector dot N vector, the answer is minus 4. So we can write the distance that is equal to modulus of minus 4 minus, what is the value of P? P is equal to 4. So A vector dot N vector minus P. Minus P means 4 divided by, yes, modulus of N vector. Because we know that what is N vector? N vector, let me write the N vector once again. N vector, yes, that is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus 4k cap. 4k cap. Okay, so modulus means square root. So that is 1 plus 4 plus 16. 1 plus 4 plus 16, the value is root 21. So root 21. So all divided by root 21. Root 21. Yes. So this is modulus. So minus 4 minus 4. What is the answer? Minus 4 minus 4. The answer is minus 8. Minus 8. Okay. So distance is equal to 8 divided by, yes. So simply we can write distance is equal to 8 by 21. 8 by root 21. It's not normal 21, it's root 21. Yes. Now, just go through the options. So while we are going through the options, we can see that option 1, the first option A is the correct answer for this question. That is, distance is equal to 8 by root 21. Yes.